Data by itself is meaningless unless presented in a way that drives action. That's the essence of this lecture's topic: building reports for decision making. In this lecture, we will explore how to create business intelligence (BI) reports that are comprehensive, focused on specific business needs, and effective in supporting decisions. After completing this lecture, you will be able to understand the purpose of BI reports in decision making, learn the steps to create reports tailored to business needs, explore key components of effective BI reports. BI reports summarize and present data in a structured format to support business decisions. They go beyond raw data, highlighting insights, trends, and recommendations. Imagine a sales manager trying to boost revenue. A well crafted BI report could show which products are selling best, which regions need more attention, and which marketing campaigns drive results. BI reports are critical because they provide clarity by organizing complex data, help identify opportunities and problems, enable informed data driven decisions. A BI report is like a recipe. It gathers all the ingredients, data, organizes them step by step, visualizations and insights, and provides clear instructions, recommendations to achieve a desired outcome. Just as a good recipe leads to a delicious dish, a well designed BI report leads to informed and effective decisions. The first step is understanding the business need. Ask, what question does this report need to answer? If the goal is to analyze sales performance, the report should focus on metrics like revenue, profit margin, and sales trends. Avoid including unrelated data that could distract from the objective. Reports should be tailored to the people who will see them. A report for executives will focus on high level insights, while a report for analysts might include more detailed data. For instance, an executive report might highlight total revenue and market share, while a report for the sales team could include customer segments and product level data. Choose data and metrics that align with the purpose of the report. Avoid overloading the report with too much information. For example, for a customer satisfaction report, focus on metrics like Net Promoter Score (NPS), customer retention rate, and feedback trends. Decide whether the report will be a static document, an interactive dashboard, or a combination of both. Interactive reports are great for exploring data, while static reports are better for presenting fixed insights. For instance, a monthly financial report might be a PDF, while a live sales report could be an interactive dashboard with filters and drill down options. Visuals like charts, graphs, and tables make reports easier to read and interpret. Use visuals to emphasize key points and trends. For example, a line graph showing revenue trends over time is more effective than a table of numbers. Add annotations to highlight spikes or drops. Don't just present data, explain what it means and suggest actions. Decision makers value reports that go beyond numbers to provide context and guidance. For example, if a report shows declining customer retention, include a recommendation like focus on loyalty programs to retain high value customers. Before sharing the report, test it with a small group to ensure it's clear, accurate, and actionable. Collect feedback and refine as needed. Send a draft of the report to a team member for view. Ask if the visuals and explanations are easy to understand. A BI report combines important data into clear, structured format. Each component serves a specific purpose to ensure the report is effective and actionable. The title defines the report's focus, while the summary highlights its main findings. These components give readers a quick understanding of what the report is about and its key takeaways. For instance, a sales report might summarize revenue trends and areas needing improvement. Charts, graphs, and tables make complex data easier to interpret. They allow readers to quickly spot trends, comparisons, or patterns. For example, a bar chart can show product sales by category, while a line graph highlights performance over time. Background information or comparisons add meaning to the data. Context explains why the numbers matter and what they represent. For example, showing last year's performance alongside current data helps highlight growth or challenges. Sales reports. track revenue, performance by region, and product trends. Marketing reports measure campaign ROI, website traffic, and customer engagement. Operational reports monitor efficiency, resource allocation, and supply chain performance. Each report is customized to meet the unique needs of the business area it serves. Choose a specific business scenario, for example, analyzing market performance or tracking sales growth. Create an outline for a BI report that includes the title, audience, key metrics, visuals, and recommendations. Write a one-page explanation of your report structure. In summary, BI reports are essential tools for decision making. With these techniques, you can create reports that provide clarity and drive action. Let's discuss what you think is the most important part of a BI report. Have you ever used or seen a report that helped answer a critical question? Share your thoughts in the comment section.